Hi, so we're planning a revision jaw surgery for this gentleman. He's had his jaw surgery 4 weeks ago in another Indian city. He has a few major concerns which I'm going to address now. The main issue is his bite. So we're going to show you how his teeth is. Show me your teeth. You see that? So he's also on braces earlier. Can you smile more now like that? Yeah, see that. So his bite is totally incorrect. He's not able to chew his food. None of the teeth are in occlusion. Open your mouth. Then the next issue, mouth opening. Not able to open his mouth properly. There's just a centimeter of mouth opening. So we're going to get that addressed as well. Okay, then close. Relax a little bit. So if you relax, his lips are not joining together. So that's the next concern I'm going to be addressing. Incompetent lips, we're going to take care. And the next thing is the chin. They've done a genioplasty for him earlier, but you see this point? It's like a curve, a reverse curve, and it's broad. You can see how it is. It's not a straight jawline. So we're going to make that a straight jawline for him. So the concerns are the lip is too bulbous. So we're going to get the jaw, especially the lip, along with the mandible rotated so that he gets a better bite. Then I'm going to be doing a revision genioplasty to make sure his chin is much more proportional. This grooving goes off. We don't want him to have this grooving. We want him to have a straight jawline. You can see that. There's a little bit of asymmetry also. Not a major issue, but very minimal asymmetry as per our scans. 3 millimeters. So I'm going to take care of that as well at the same time. Okay, so now this is 4 weeks, right? Since you had your earlier surgery, more than 4 weeks. And can you smile again? Okay, so he had surgery not with us, with another surgeon in another Indian city. Can you smile? Okay, right. So we're going to do a nasal intubation for him. It's going to be a revision jaw surgery, revision orthognathic surgery, revision BSSO, revision genioplasty, and jaw sculpting. Thank you. So that's the occlusion this patient has. We're doing a revision jaw surgery. He had his jaw surgery done in another city. This was 4 to 5 weeks ago. There's no bite literally. He had difficulties in chewing. So we're going to do a revision for this. We can show the occlusion on this side and that side. So you're going to get this in a the right bite. We've already planned the splint and these sutures are going to be removed now. These stitches are from the earlier surgery done elsewhere. Okay, table raise, knife, elevator. So we're doing a revision genioplasty here. I'm going to show you what's happened to this patient. That's an implant that you see, and you can see this muscle here that's got incarcerated between the implant. So this is sometimes the reason why patients tend to have a very stiff chin. Also, this is one of the reasons why patients can have rigidity in the chin. And I want to show you. Yeah, so that's the plane. Yeah. Okay. So I'm freeing all the muscles that were attached onto the implant and stuck in between. You can see there's some there now along with the fibrous tissue. I'm going to look at that a little later. You can see the genioplasty segment that has been cut here. And there's a segment here as well. So I'm going to look at that and see how we can get him. So there's a kind of a horn or a horn. And, you can wash. Okay. Right. So we're doing a revision jaw surgery right now. So this patient has an occlusal issue, major issue with the bite. I've just opened up. You can see the mental nerve. I've treated nicely. Of course, you've got a genioplasty done at the same time earlier, so we're going to get that also sorted out. But first, I'm going to look at this fixation at the BSSO level, sagittal level. So I'll have to take out the screws and get the occlusion first. You can take it out, and then we will go and do on this side. Yeah, show this side also. There's a similar kind of plate and screw on this side as well. Okay. So we're doing a revision genioplasty here. I've exposed everything, and we've also done some work on the chin muscles. I've dissected here all the way down. You can see there's two asymmetric cornu-like horns. So this was also causing that difference from outside below the nerve. So I'm going to contour this off now. He's a guy, so we're going to give him a broad chin, but he doesn't need that. So this is going to get contoured this way so that he has a nice broad chin without an S shape. Because otherwise this gives a shape like that from outside. I want to show you what I'm trying to say. So you see here, this is going in and then comes out again. So we want to give him one straight line. So I want to take this off. So he has a broad chin, but then it goes straight line. It doesn't go in and then out. It's going to be one straight line. So we've done the contouring. We've done the sculpting here. Done some sculpting at the base. There's a little bit done there. The fixing of the plate. Just relax a little bit. So this was the original location of the 3 screws. You can see the dot 1, 2 and 3. Now I've moved it more anteriorly, more ahead. 1, 2, 3. That was the earlier location. I've also moved it down. Why? Because he didn't have proper bite. Remember, this is a revision jaw surgery. Right, and a similar thing on this side. Here you cannot see the screw that we've moved because it's got posterior to the implant, this plate and screw. But we had to remove these screws on both the sides, and then later on we had to fix it, and we've done that. And I'm showing you the dissection inside, the position of the chin, the contouring, and I'm also going to show you the occlusion now. Look at that occlusion we've got. Yeah, it's still a little bit asymmetric when you start. Yeah, that's it now. So you've got perfect occlusion. Midline, everything is symmetrical. This was the main reason for the surgery. We wanted the patient to have a normal bite, a bite with which he could chew on. He was also like this when we started. If you remember correctly, can you show the video on all the angles, please, to understand correctly? Yeah. So that's how he was when we started, if you remember. Now we've given him this kind of a perfect occlusion, and by doing so, we've also moved the chin relatively, because the chin moves along with the lower jaw, and that has given him a much more balanced chin, much more straighter jawline, a more proportional lower third of the face to the upper third, and also his lower lips, which is really pouting out, has now gone in, and so he'll have a nice profile. Most importantly, he's going to be having teeth to chew on. He's going to have perfect occlusion to be able to chew on anything he ever wants, and right from the word go. Okay, right, so some sutures. So this is just done. This was a revision or a redo jaw surgery. A little bit of a redo genioplasty and a total redo sagittal split osteotomy to get his bite fixed. We've got good bite for him now. Can you show us a bite? Yeah. You see that? That's his bite now on the table. We've got perfect occlusion. All right, thank you. And, that's how his chin looks. His lip looks. He's more proportional now. Can we Dynaplus, please?